Right, let's get straight into this one, YouTube. So the Mercedes SLK, that has been picked up. We now have another Mercedes. It's a 2013 Mercedes E-Class Estate. Now this is for a local funeral directors who I look after their vehicles. So yeah, it's so nice when you get repeat business back. Thank you very much. So the aim of this detail, we've got some deep head scratches down the passenger side. There's lots dotted all around, but this is definitely the worst side. And I think we're going to get some sandpaper out on this one. Yeah, they are quite deep. So yeah, I'm going to switch this one up a little bit. Normally I start with the polishing and everything else. I'm actually going to start with the glass this time round, because I normally leave it till the end and then I start getting polishing dust onto the paintwork. So just trying to work a bit more ethically. I think that's right. Methodically, ethically, one of those two. So yeah, I'm going to start on the glass, get all of that polished first, and yeah, then we'll get onto the paintwork. I hope this isn't like the transporter paint. Fingers crossed that it's nice paint to work with, because that transporter, I know I keep saying, oh, this is the hardest, that transporter was the hardest paint I've had to do. So yeah, I'm kind of hoping this is not going to be like that, but we shall see when I get going. So let's get in, have a look at the paintwork and begin polishing. Yes, get in! Right, so we'll start on the passenger side. I'll try and speed this up a little bit, because I know on some of them I take quite a while walking around it. But yeah, you can see the scratches, and then the hedge scratches basically start from here, which you can just see, and they run all the way to the front. Yeah, so you can kind of see all of this damage that's in the paintwork. I'll try and get all tight to these edges as well, get all of that cleaned up. Gloss black needs a bit of work, but it's not as bad as some of them I've seen. So that's this side. The rear lights are quite bad. Yeah. Paintwork on the back. Yeah, it's quite swirly. Behind the number plate, not as bad as some I've seen. On the bumper, we got quite a bit of wear on here, so I'm not going to be able to get that fully, but I should be able to tidy that up quite a lot. Down the driver's side, still very swirly, but it's not as bad as the passenger side. So we've got some holograms there. Yeah, got some nice holograms. Yeah, just making the paintwork look a little bit dull. Got quite a few around this handle as well. Yeah. And down here, let's see if I can get in the handle. Yeah. There they are. See all those finger scratches? Yeah, so we'll tackle those. Whoop. Like so, and then we come on to the bonnet. Quite a bit of damage in the bonnet. Yeah, so there we go. That is the paintwork walk round done. Let me know in the comments, because it's you lot that watch the videos. Is the length of these videos okay? Do you want them shorter? Do you want them quicker? Do you want less content? Do you want more of a quick before and an after? So yeah, let me know in the comments down below. And as I say, you're the people that watch this, so yeah, let me know. Let me know. I'm still learning. Right, let's get me trolley out, get all my pads, polishes, pick me test spot, and let's get polishing. Woohoo! Get in, come on. Woo. So I got my Brave Boy pants on and made a mess. You ready? Uh-oh. That looks so much scarier than it actually is. So that has all been sanded with a 3000 disc, and yeah, it looks horrendous, but it's actually relatively safe in the right hands. Yeah, it just makes it look awful. But this is what I do, and we're gonna get this all polished up this side. Scary, 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 scary. So we pick up the camera again on Sunday morning. So I stayed on yesterday, got all the cutting completed. What a difference already. So this morning, gave a full wipe down. We are now ready for refinement. And this is GYEON polish on a yellow Rupes pad. So yeah, gonna tape up all the little bits I need to tape up again, get this done, get it wiped down, and then hopefully we'll get on with some coatings this afternoon. Crazy difference. Whew. Whew. Yeah, you might hear some noise out there. We've got my second detailing studio that is being worked on at the moment. So exciting times. Right, let's get this refined. So as you can see, the Mercedes is now back on the floor. It's had all its wipe down done. The wheel faces have been coated, tyres have been dressed. So yeah, so this is now ready for its coating. GYEON Infinite Base Type 2, GYEON TopCoat Type 1. Base Type 2 is a standalone coating on its own, and it's just amazing. It's such a great product. And then this one's going to be finished off with TopCoat Type 1, which extends the hydrophobicity of the coating, the self-cleaning effect. So yeah. Woo. Let's get the camera set up. I'm going to get some music back on. Let's get these on. Come on. Well, that's the first layer of protection down on the Mercedes E-Class. So that's had GYEON Infinite Base Type 2. That's taken me around an hour and a half to complete. New cloth's ready. We are now going with GYEON Infinite TopCoat Type 1. So yeah, about another hour and a half to go, and then it's all fully protected. Well, I say all. I've still got the glass to do, under the bonnet, interior. So yeah, still plenty more to do on this one, but have a look at this. Woo! That is shiny, shiny! Right, let's get this next coat on and we'll probably come back with the glass. Yes! Onto the glass! And the first thing I do is always clean the tops of the windows. Quite a few people miss this. And there is nothing worse than the customer driving out, putting the window down to say goodbye or whatever, and it's dirty along the top. Yeah. For the sake of a minute, it's then done. Well, I've run out of GYEON Quick View for the moment. I'm waiting for that to turn up. So we got Soft 99 Glacco. So there we go, that is the Mercedes E-Class all finished. Fully protected, top to bottom. Woo. Let's get straight into some afters. Oh man, look at it. Remember this side, what that looked like? So let's wrap it up here on this one. Mercedes E-Class estate completed. Woo. This one has obviously been GYEONized. Let's roll some afters.